Garage door opener motor running but the door not moving? That's a classic headache, but there are some easy things you can check before calling a pro. First off, look at the drive belt or chain that connects the motor to the door. If it's loose, broken, or slipped off, the motor might be running, but it won't actually pull the door up or down. Next, peep the door springs. Those bad boys do the heavy lifting, and if they're broken or worn out, the door won't budge even if the motor is humming. Make sure the opener is securely attached to the door arm, because if that link is loose or disconnected, the motor is spinning but not transferring power. Don't forget to check if the door tracks are clear of debris or any obstructions that could be jamming the movement. Sometimes, just a little cleanup and lubrication on the rollers and hinges can make a world of difference. Also, test the manual release handle to see if it's been accidentally pulled, which would disconnect the opener from the door. And hey, check the opener's force settings, because if those are off, it might stop trying to move the door to avoid damage. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their garage door opener motor runs but the door doesn't move is ignoring the drive belt or chain condition. If it's worn out or slipped off, just tightening or replacing it usually fixes things fast. Another common issue is broken or stretched door springs. Trying to fix those yourself can be dangerous, so it's best to get a professional to replace them safely. Lastly, many forget to inspect the door tracks and rollers for blockages or rust. Cleaning and lubricating these parts often restores smooth movement and prevents strain on the motor. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot to find trusted local contractors who know how to tackle garage door problems like these without a fuss. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable help, making sure everyone gets the job done right.